One of the ways to get a perfect shot is to see the target clearly, no matter how disturbing the sun or weather can be. The best tactical sunglasses can help us do just that, plus protect our eyes from any flying debris, harmful UV, and impact. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical sunglasses on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Zegis Tactical Eyewear 3 Outdoor Shooting Glasses. Zegis Tactical Eyewear is a kit full of extraordinary deals, like the 3 polycarbonate lenses, a rubber frame, and a hard shell storage case. I believe that these tactical sunglasses offer the highest level of sun protection, boasting UV 400 protection. Wearing them for extended periods isn't a burden because the rubber frame feels soft and comfortable on my nose bridge. Best of all, I can just attach the case to my bike using its hook for easy travel. I'm pleasantly surprised that I can change from smoke to yellow and clear lenses quickly. Thanks to the interchangeable lenses, I can work in all environmental conditions. I don't even have to worry about losing any of them because the hardshell case is a nice place for storage. After putting on these Special Forces sunglasses, I didn't notice the lenses getting fogged up. Plus, I appreciate the included neoprene strap because it allows me to hang the safety glasses on my neck so they won't get lost. Even better is the ANSI Z87 Plus compliance, making me feel safe wearing them for rugged use. The only thing I dislike is the size of the nosepiece. It seems to only fit those with narrow noses. Number 2. KastKing Iditarod Polarized Sports Sunglasses. The KastKing Iditarod is my favorite pair when fishing because it blocks out all light from entering around the frames. The frame that goes over the ears is high enough to enable this. Compared to other sunglasses, the KastKing sits comfortably on the fairly prominent bridge of my nose. These wraparound sunglasses also feel so lightweight that I tend to forget that I'm wearing them. I've been through sand, mud, and salt water with these sunglasses, and I'm pleasantly surprised that the polarized lenses stay clear. I got the smoke lens, which tends to work best in reducing glare during sunny conditions. The polarized lenses are so clear that they help me see fish underwater. It's also incredible to have the Grilamid frame, which seems to give great force resistance and UV protection. I found the hardshell case very helpful in keeping my wraparound sunglasses safe. On the other hand, the microfiber pouch serves its purpose well in cleaning the lens. Looking at the style of these sunglasses, I think they're on par with high-end brands. However, the smoke lenses of tactical polarized sunglasses are not dark enough to hide my eyes. Number 3. Wiley X Sabre Advanced Shooting Glasses. Wiley X Sabre is another pair of shooting glasses that provide ballistic protection. These ballistic glasses have met the MIL PRF 32432 safety standards, making them ideal sunglasses for cops and other shooter enthusiasts. This Wiley X model also meets the safety standards of ANSI Z87.1 for visual clarity and impact endurance. I'm pleased that the T-shell lens coating proves to be scratch resistant as it remained unscathed, even when I accidentally dropped the glasses on the ground. What makes me love these Wiley X glasses is their accommodation of the PTX prescription insert, which allows me to use my prescription lenses. Even better is the closed fit of the ballistic glasses, which offers maximum eye protection from random things flying into my eyes. Not only do they offer protection, but these military sunglasses also look stylish. I have found these tactical sunglasses comfortable to wear all day long. On the occasions that I use them for shooting games, these glasses stay at their place, no matter how frequently I move. They fit my ear protection very well, making these glasses a must-have for shooting at the range. The only thing I dislike about the Wiley X Sabre is the fact that it only offered tinted lenses. It would have been better to have a clear lens pair to take advantage of the interchangeable lenses feature. Number 4. Galaxolence ANSI Z87.1 Tactical Glasses. When it comes to the best ballistic performance, Galaxolence is the real deal. These ballistic sunglasses have passed ANSI Z87.1 and MIL PRF 32432 criteria to resist velocity impact from bullets. These combat glasses offer 3 polycarbonate replaceable lenses, yellow, clear, and black, to suit any environment. The yellow lens is perfect for nighttime, while the black one is my go-to lens for daytime. Thankfully, there's an adapter to fit my prescription lenses. This ballistic eyewear also protects the eyes from harmful UVA and UVB rays during a bright day in the range. With the polarizing film, I don't see the glare from the highway when driving. Additionally, it's a relief to avoid dealing with annoying reflections from objects thanks to the anti-reflective coating, which helps me see things clearer under the sun. The TR90 frame is incredibly comfortable and durable. Even when I bend the frame, it doesn't break and lose shape. Other accessories that I love include the head strap and EVA box to keep the glasses and accessories together. However, I noticed that the blacker tinted lenses seem to be thinner than the other two lenses. Number 5. Hulislam Blade Sport Sunglasses. Hulislam's Blade Sport is one of the most lightweight polarized tactical sunglasses I've worn. I love the fact that they're wrap around to prevent any bright light from getting inside the frame. The key feature of these sunglasses is the lightweight F1 frame that can withstand the toughest conditions. I'm pleased that these sunglasses stay on my face really well while doing tedious activities. Fortunately, there's a nice hard case to protect the glasses when I'm not wearing them. Besides the case, I also found a micro-cleaning cloth and an additional nose bridge to hold the lens at a comfortable distance from my face. For someone with a large face like me, this pair fits perfectly. The polarization of the glasses also works well in reducing any glare. The high-definition lenses are quite impressive as they let me see the environment in full contrast and colors with full sun protection. With the Blade lens coloring system, I can still see all things in their natural shades without distortion. The best part is that these sunglasses aren't overly expensive for their value. However, the smoke lenses aren't fog resistant. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.